Well, here we are at the boat. Hi. Underneath the boat, actually. And what I'm doing now is I've got this nice little tool here for removing through hauls. And I'm going to try to get myself goofed around here so that I can show you what I'm doing. I'll confess this isn't just exactly the way it happened, but pretty much this thing didn't fit at first, and then it did, and then I loosened it, then I got the camera, because and I have not undone it all the way, so pulling the through hull. Now I'll tell you, it's a little disturbing to see or feel how easy this is to unscrew. That's a little bothersome, but on the one hand, but you and I will see together, whoops, what's underneath it. And let's see, doesn't look too bad. This surface seems to be okay. All right, well, oh God, rubber, silicone. I bet you it's silicone. It's all rubbery. That's disturbing. God dang it. People don't put rubber, especially silicone, underneath your boat. Somewhere back here, I thought I put the other, I laid it down over there. Yeah, we're gonna have to get in here and dig this junk out of here, which is fine. I mean, the whole idea is to make this bigger. Would you believe that this is the opening for the water, raw water intake? Amazing. Silicone. God. We're gonna have to cut all that out, chisel it out. It's gonna be a mess. Okay, well anyway, that's the outside. Now I gotta do the inside. Talk to you later. Bye.